Hello learners, in this tutorial we will discuss about the content in the plsql. A constant holds a value that once declared does not change in the program. A constant declare specifies its names, data types and values and allocating storage for it. The declarations can also impose the not null constraint. Now we will see how to connect to the Oracle database using SQL developer and see how to use that constant variable. So first of all, I will connect to the my local database. So click on this connection manager and go to the properties. Then you can see my connection name and username, password and the host name, ports, the SID. So you can click on the test button to check the connection details. So it's connected, so you can click on the connection button, then automatically it will connect to the Oracle database. So now we will see the example code. So before that I have included some program for that, so I will explain each and every line of this plsql block. As I said earlier, in the plsql block we have three sections: declaration sections, execution sections and the exception section. So in the declaration sections you can see I have implemented the constant variable. Its variable name is pi and the constant it's a constant and number data type and value is 3.1415, something like this. Then other declarations: radius, it's a number 5,2 and the diameter, it's number, circumference and the area. So those are the other normal declarations and the pi is the constant variable. Okay, now we will move to the execution sections. We can see radius is 9.5. we have initialized the variable. The radius is 9.5, diameter is radius into 2, then circumference is 25r, it's 2.0 into 5 is the constant variable, then radius, then area is 5rr, it means 5 into radius. So that calculation is happening there. Then after that what we are doing is we print all the values which we calculated. So radius we concatenate with the radius variable, then diameter concatenate with the dia, already we have calculated in this line. Then the third dbms output is circumference. We have calculated circumference using 25r, so that value should be displayed when we execute in this one. Then the last dbms output is area. For the area 5 radius into radius. So that value will should be displayed when we execute that plsql block. So now we will see how to execute that plsql block. So to execute the plsql block you have to open your dbms output window. So I will show you how to open that plsql dbms output window. So go to that view and select the dbms output. So you can see at the bottom there is a window called dbms output, but still we haven't connected to that dbms output for our database, Oracle database. So click on this plus sign, there's a green plus sign, so they have to select the connection. So in my case I have different type of different connection. So for this I am using the system because already I have executed this plsql block in the system connection. So I select this one and clicked OK. Then you can see my dbms output has connect with the system dbms output. Okay, so now I will execute this command. Simply you can select all and you can execute. You can see in the script output the plsql procedure successfully completed. In the dbms output you can see radius as per the dbms outputs. Radius is 9.5, diameter is 19, circumference is 59.69, area is 283 0.53. Those calculations we can get when we execute in this one. So I think successfully we could able to use that constant variable. So if you have any questions, you can comment and you can ask. Yeah, thank you.